Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and we're going to talk a little bit about the cleaners that exist out there, different types of cleaners. One of the most popular, and the most popular probably, is CCleaner, but there's different types of software that actually do PC cleanup, and they say that your PC is going to be 100 times better after that. And one of them, of course, CCleaner, and many others. And I'm not actually talking about a specific one here. I'm talking about general cleaners that say they're going to actually make your PC faster. What do they do, actually, first of all? What they do is often clean up files that are left behind after installs, or when you uninstall a program, often there are files here and there that are left behind. Some will actually try to fix the registry, and fix is a really big word here because they remove key entries that might not be used anymore. There's a lot of stuff that they can do in there. They of course will some have defrags that will look in defrag or help your hard drive stay in shape, and I have all sorts of tweaks into Windows and trying to make it better and looking at startup items. Now, a lot of people always ask me all the time, what I think of these. And as a tech guy, I've never really used these because I've never found any real utility to it. That said, a lot of people use it. And, like CCleaner, I've seen it on so many PCs when I was actually fixing computers. That basically I was looking at these cleaners, and people were, kind of telling me, oh, well, my PC runs so much better every time I do a cleanup with this. And, you know, I, my personal opinion, and it's a really good personal opinion of it, is these cleaners do really nothing much on your computer. Honestly, tweaking of the registry has risks, and it happened that these software did break. As a tech guy, I did have to fix computers or reinstall Windows because registry cleaners and software like this actually broke something in Windows. Now, CCleaner is relatively safe. It's rare that I see problems really arise from CCleaner. But still, personally, I think they are kind of useless. And it's up to you. I mean, if you like it, or, sometimes there could be something very specific. I know that there are things, for example, CCleaner helps you remove some software that Windows does not let you remove. There is obviously some things here and there that sometimes can be useful. But in the general scheme of things, when you just talk about making your PC better and fixing problems, technically these cleaners usually don't do much. I'd like to have your opinion on it. And I mean, I know a lot of you are probably using this. And this is, of course, something that comes from the fact that a lot of people are also using it because they're like, oh, my friend told me to use this and I actually like it. And but there's part of the hype of my PC is faster when I actually do cleanups. That is, at least for me, I think, part of it is psychological. You feel like your PC is faster, but problem is often is because you restarted your PC, and because you restarted your PC and you're a fresh new session of Windows, it typically is faster most of the time. But give me your opinion. What do you see when you use these pieces of software? And remember, when they remove keys in a registry, it doesn't do much. Actually, it doesn't do nothing at all most of the time. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.